Hey again. Welcome back. Hey, we're right now working with Microsoft Word in my engineering classes. We have the students make flowcharts. And so I'm going to make a really generic, easy flowchart here, nothing really complicated. But we're just going to lay out the basics and then we'll show you how to put some stuff in a minute. So basically, I've got a blank document up, okay? And I'm just going to go up here to Insert, click on my Insert tab, and I've got my shapes here, or I've got my Smart Art. Now, Smart Art, it can do some of the stuff we like to do, but it doesn't really build an organization. It'll build an org chart, but it won't really build me a good flow chart. Circular path, some of that kind of stuff worked great. Radio clusters, gears, it's got some pretty cool theme stuff, but not what I'm working on here. What I want to do is I want to start from scratch. So I'm going to go to shapes, and then there's my basic shapes here. There's also my flowchart shapes here. So I'm just going to start down here with my flowchart, and everything gets listed as you hover. There's a card, there's a decision, alternative process, and it actually tells you what they are. So there's a terminator. So I'm going to drag a terminator in because I'm going to start my flowchart. So you're going to click, and I'm just going to come up here and I'm going to drag it in, drop it off right here. There's my first terminator. Okay. Now, if I want to type on it, I right click and I tell it add text, and I call this my start point. Okay. I can edit the text in there. I can make it bigger, smaller as I need to. Okay. Now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to have a decision. So I'm going to go back to Insert, Shapes. My first decision is, I'll just put my decision right out here. Okay, there's my decision piece. Okay, I can drop it in. Okay, and that'd be whatever my first decision is. And then I'd come up here and I'd go, okay, now I need a process. Well, I look right here and hover. There's my rounded rectangles. Okay, ovals. Well, if I don't remember what they are, I can come back in here to my shapes, and if I hover, alternate process, I can remember what they are. So I can drag that in. So this is good for beginners. They don't have to fight it. They don't have to try to memorize everything. They can just go in. So I'm just going to add text here. Decision. Add text here. Right click. Process 1. And then I can just go through and I can keep adding them as I need to. Now, as far as connectors go, I can go in here and I can add a connector like so. And like so. Oh, I didn't connect it right the way I wanted it to. Let's connect that back. There he goes. All right. So I can get them lined up straight on where I want them to. I can add a connector here. Insert, shapes, get a connector out. Rectangles. Where's my connectors? Oh, there they are. Let's see, there's a line. Put him in there. Now, when I get all that put in, we're great. Now, one of the things I haven't really talked about, let's say I get on this shape, I want it to be red, orange, blue, purple. I got a ton of stuff to choose from here, okay? I want it to have a 3D effect. I want to have the text stand out. So I can just go here like normal, hit the home. I can make that bold. I can make it a much larger font if I want to. Whatever I need it to do. And it's really simple to do. I can describe the process in it. I can build my chart that way. Cake. You can do anything you need with it. Hey, thanks. And like I said, this is the simple introduction. We'll show you some other stuff later on. See ya.